a digital avatar amplifying the voices and faces of 80 amazing children from around the world. We've come together at the Children's General Assembly in Billund, Denmark, to create genuine change by having our voices heard. Today, I use the next generation's technology to share our children's manifesto, focusing on 4 relevant and actionable themes to shape a better future for all.
Our first theme is STEAM for All. We are living in a time where technology is super advanced. With artificial intelligence and new inventions changing the world, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, STEAM education is more important than ever. As children of this digital age, we believe in using these technologies to make a difference. There are still obstacles such as gender inequality, a lack of resources, and not enough political support. We call upon you to help ensure every child has equal access to STEAM. Let's unlock the potential in education to create an inclusive and innovative world.
Secondly, we believe we need to make mental health a top global priority. Mental well-being is essential for strong individuals and caring communities and deserves every bit as much attention as physical health. We call upon you to help make it easier to discuss and understand mental health with accessible resources and support for all. By understanding and creating safe spaces, you can help young minds flourish. Together, let's prioritize mental health so every child has the support they need to thrive.
Our third theme addresses children's safety. Safety is extremely important whether we're online or offline. We want to live in a world where children can speak up freely, knowing our voices will be respected and acknowledged and our rights protected. What might you do to ensure children around you feel safe, knowing their voices are respected and their thoughts heard? Together, we can make sure that all perspectives count and nurture a society that cherishes our voices.
Finally, our fourth theme is all about raising awareness and amplifying children's voices. We believe that children's voices are important and can make a difference. We have fresh ideas and unique insights as tomorrow's leaders. Our goal is to raise awareness about global challenges and inspire action and understanding. When you listen and share our voices on different platforms, it helps spread the word so everyone can hear what we have to say.
By educating others about the issues we face, we can pilot our future towards real change together. It's us children who will inherit the future, so let's ensure children have the opportunity to shape a brighter future together. So we, the participants of the Children's General Assembly 2023, invite leaders, policymakers, and communities worldwide to join us in this exciting journey. From furthering education, fostering health and safety, and amplifying children's voices, there's a lot to be done. We're not just children with dreams. We're creative world citizens. It's crucial for grown-ups to listen to us.
Let's share our enthusiasm, open conversations, and take bold action to build a future where every child thrives. We understand the challenges we face, and we have great ideas to make things better. We've compiled an idea catalog, citing numerous ways we can help achieve our goals, and we hope you'll take note. Investing in children today means investing in a better world tomorrow. Together, we can make the world full of hope, harmony, and endless possibilities.
And to other children out there, this is our time and our ideas matter. Please follow and take inspiration from our story at Capital of Children so you can make your voice heard and take action. As a central part of our next chapter, let's shape a better world for generations to come. Signed, participants of the Children's General Assembly 2023.